So, welcome to another session of News Laundry Research. I am Shardul, and today we have with us Devdutt Patnaik. Today we are here to talk about his new book, Dharma, Arth, Kam और मोक्ष. And I didn't say dharma because हमारे पास हिंदी की भी है. So, published by HarperCollins, and as you can understand, when we're discussing dharma, arth, kam, or moksha, it pretty much covers all the bases. So, welcome, Devdutt.
Hi.
So, congratulations on your book.
Thank you.
And it appears extremely relevant in these troubled times. And I have to tell you, with everything else happening around us, which is forcing us to look inward in so many ways. तो अध्याय 24 में मैं देखता हूँ ये आप हमारी इंसानों की एक्सपायरी डेट की बात करते हैं और आप मृत्यु की बात करते हैं, हमारे नश्वर होने की बात करते हैं. और हमसे मतलब हम यानी हम लोग समाज में मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग समाज के तौर पर ये मृत्यु के अकाट्य सत्य को ना झुठलाने में ही क्यों अपनी जिंदगी बिताना चाहते हैं.
अभी देखिए ना, when I'm talking to Amazon right now, it's a big company. Does Jeff Bezos talk about the expiry date of Amazon? Because उसका immediately market value टूट जाएगा ना. अगर बिल गेट्स अपने mortality के बारे में नहीं बात करता है ना, तो वो हमेशा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कर रहा है जैसे दुनिया को बता रहा है. तो ये जो एक्सपायरी डेट है, हमारे देश में हम बोलते हैं वर्ण आश्रम धर्म. आश्रम का मतलब है व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट मनुस्मृति सब लोग बात करते रहते हैं. इट्स वेरी क्लियर कि भैया आफ्टर अ सर्टेन यू हैव टू डिसाइड राइट एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ योर करियर कि कब तुम रिटायर करोगे और कब तुम रिनाउंस करोगे. एंड दैट हैज टू बी डिसाइडेड. लास्ट में भीष्म पितामह को जब वो सरसैया पे रखते हैं तो कृष्ण बोल रहे हैं कि भैया रिटायर, स्टॉप इट, बुढ़े हो गए हो, छोड़ो गद्दी. हाँ, बिकॉज यू सी वी डोंट रियलाइज कि हम लोग स्पिरिचुअलिटी को रिटायरमेंट के बाद ना बोलते हैं भगवत गीता रिटायरमेंट के बाद पढ़ो. Because you don't want to read it, or you will read it in engineering college when you're frustrated, and then Guruji's and Babajis के पीछे भागने लगते हो. Then they take advantage of you.
Yes.
The thing is, we don't realize, nobody teaches us the science of life, that life, there is important success has value, pleasure has value, but उसका एक समय होता है. सब चीज के लिए एक समय होता है.
In chapter 7, I remember, and I marked it, when you talk about courtesans, जब आप गणिकाओं की बात करते हैं, please explain to our viewers and anybody who watches it, because it's important, that importance of calm in life.
So देखो, if you like food, रेस्टोरेंट में जाना तो कामदेव आ गया जिंदगी में. गुड फूड, गुड क्लोथ्स, रस रंग, म्यूजिक. सो that is the way they are trying to explain to you that pleasure, bhog, is life.
Yes.
And that's part of life, not life totally, but part of life. Bhog lena is everything. So it's sexual pleasure, it is gustatory pleasure, olfactory pleasure, oral pleasure, all kinds of auditory pleasure, visual pleasure, aesthetics, art, yes, culture. तो इस सबको काम से जो ये मैं तवायफों के बारे में बात करता हूँ. The reason I did it is because we forget that traditionally in India, all music, all dance came from this community.
Yes. And
they have been wiped out of history. And we don't talk about it today. Even in Bollywood, you just see that the men dominate everything. The women just go into the background. But if you look at the earliest musician के images, they are always women. तबला बजा रहे हैं, मृदंग बजा रहे हैं, वीणा कर रहे हैं, all women, only women. But we have wiped that culture out.
I really like chapter 6 and 7, architecture of fear. You talk about it and you talk about why do we buy things? We never contemplate why are we doing this, because that is the sole purpose of how we manage our earth and how we'll decide how we express ourselves to ourselves through money or through anything else. So explain this to us, because this is such a interesting but also a trippy concept, because people more often than not tend to get lost in chasing the money.
You have to understand these four in a structure. So earth is, generating wealth. You are a living creature. All organisms need food. तो भोग चाहिए. तो भोग की जो when you're collecting food, ये अर्थशास्त्र है. जब आप enjoying food, वो कामशास्त्र है. लेकिन तो मोक्ष शास्त्र अब जब भूख से यू कॉन्कर योर हंगर, और धर्म होता है जब आप दूसरों को खिलाते हो. सो ये ऑल फोर हैव टू बी सीन इन अ लार्जर कॉन्टेक्स्ट. अभी क्या हो गया है कि बी सक्सेसफुल मतलब जनरेट वेल्थ. ये एंजॉय कब कर रहे हो? इफ यू आर नॉट एंजॉयिंग योर वेल्थ, then what is the use of your wealth?
Yes.
If you don't see all four in a set, फिर तो it's an incomplete life. It's an incomplete life. जानवर भी करता है ना, अर्थशास्त्र जानवर भी करता है, काम शास्त्र, ये दो चीजें जो जानवर भी करते हैं. केवल मनुष्य होता है जो धर्म और मोक्ष को मैनेज कर सकता है. And that is what makes us human. Otherwise, we are no different from a cow or a donkey. Or
Before I talk about dharma in general, we are living in such troublesome times, and almost all of us have people in our family and people we know closely who are either struggling with the disease or because of in their jobs because of it in medical profession. 25वां अध्याय, emergency dharma. I believe this was not the part of your articles earlier. I think you added this in the book.
या आपात धर्म के ऊपर ना?
जी आपात धर्म, yes, emergency dharma.
What do you do in an emergency? Right now, you have to deal. There's a very famous film or play. I remember. I think it was Hope and Glory, where World War II में there is a great war happening, and the buildings are breaking down. And one day the father walks in and he sees his young daughter, who is very young, having sex with an older man, much older man. Yeah. And he's about to stop when the mother pulls him back, saying, "Ladki kal mar sakti hai."
Yes.
And that moment is apat dharma. Because things are gone so bad that tomorrow the girl will die. Agar usse bhog mil raha hai aaj, lene do. Under normal circumstances, this would be, oh my God, family, kul, maryada, all those questions would have been raised.
Yes.
But
मुफ्त खोरो, मुफ्त में इतना ही मिलेगा. To watch the full unedited interview, you have to subscribe to News Laundry and pay to keep news free. Because when the public pays, the public is served. We depend on you and not on advertisers. So go to www.newslaundry.com/subscription and subscribe and get all our unedited interviews, our special video shows, comics, and everything that's behind the paywall. Remember, to subscribe to News Laundry, you pay just about 10 rupees a day. That's less than, a cigarette. And smoking is injurious to health. So subscribe and watch the full interview.
आप जो कहते हैं कि अर्थ नहीं भावार्थ इम्पोर्टेंट होता है धर्म में, तो कोई भावार्थ जो आज की लीडरशिप के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हो?
Mythology, which is a guiding line for our culture, so it is being used for profit. Do you think it is wrong?
This whole feeling of taboo, was it imported? Or is it always like this for us?
Evolution theory and religion, these are like two contradictory terms. So how do you convince yourself for both?
In India, there was never this problem. Because in India, God doesn't create the world at all. The nature goes through evolutionary cycles of rise and fall, rise and fall, rise and fall. Because आप जब तक प्रकृति के साथ खेलते रहोगे, तब तक जरी मरी तो आती रहेगी. इससे भाग नहीं पाओगे. हम नहीं, जितना भी आप वैक्सीन बना रहे हो, the bigger root problem is our greed, the human greed. Politics is politics, and a politician will use whatever it takes to become powerful. That is the nature of politics. So that is part of life. You can't change these things and stop things like this. One day I was watching one Guruji talk, and I said, this is not Hinduism. And I suddenly struck me that he is translating evangelical, but usko he'll use Sanskrit words like dharmic and karmic and kosha and atma, and I'm like, ye atma to hai nahi. That's why when they say dharma is shukshma, I burst out laughing.
Just like how you have dharma, artha, kama and moksha, what is the end game of this insecurity?
Insecurity is part of life, because to stay alive, we need to be insecure. Insecurity sort of prepares us to live our life. So insecurity is very much part of biology, it's part of our existence. In life, if you want to be successful, never try to win an argument.